Here's why DaVinci Resolve is the ultimate video editor. First up, it's cost effective. DaVinci Resolve offers a completely free version with tons of features, unlike Adobe's subscription model. That's right, $0. Next, it's an all-in-one solution for editing, color correction, visual effects, and audio post-production. So you won't have to juggle between Adobe softwares like Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Audition. My personal favorite feature, Fusion, makes it possible to create extremely complex VFX and motion graphics all on the free version of DaVinci Resolve. And finally, its color grading capabilities are top-notch, making it the ultimate software for any editor who wants their footage to look like $1 million blockbuster without actually spending $1 million. And if you want the fully featured software used by professionals at Hollywood, DaVinci Resolve Studio is a one-time payment of $295 US. This is the same price as paying the Adobe Creative Cloud for only 5 months.